This is how you do Chapter 10 Review number 8. You're given two chords of a circle with lengths x squared minus 1 and 9x plus 21 centimeters, and both are 32 centimeters from the center. Your task is to find the circumference of the circle. Finding the circumference of a circle involves finding either the radius or the diameter. I'm going to go for the radius. And you need to know that when chords are through the center of a circle, that's as long as they can ever be, they're a diameter. And the further a chord gets from the center, the smaller it gets. But two chords that are both 32 centimeters from the center will be congruent. And because they're congruent, you can set the x squared minus 1 equal to the 9x plus 21 and solve for the length. Now if you subtract the 9x from both sides and subtract the 21 from both sides, you get a quadratic equation that can be solved. It's 11 and 2 give you 22. And then in order to leave it negative 9x, you leave the negative 11 negative, and you turn this one positive. You get two solutions, 11 and negative 2. See if I can do that better. Okay. Now, these are not the lengths of the chords. These are x. And if you let x be 11, 11 squared minus 1 will equal 121 minus 1, or 120. And the other one will be 9 times 11 plus 21, which is 99 plus 21, which is also 120. And that works. So if 11 squared minus 1 and 9 times 11 plus 21 both equal 21, then these chords are both 120. And what you have here is a line through the center of a circle that's perpendicular to a chord, because that's how you measure distance. That's why you know those are perpendicular. So a line through the center perpendicular to chord will bisect the chord, and these will both be 60. Same with these two here. These are both 60. Here's the thing you're looking for, which is a radius. And 32 and 60, this is 4 times 8, and this is 4 times 15. So this will be 4 times 17, which is 68, and that's your radius. So the circumference of this circle, the thing we were looking for in the beginning, is 2 times pi times 68, which is 120 plus 16 is 136 pi centimeters. And that's the answer to this problem. The negative 2, if you try that, you'll get negative 2 squared minus 1, which is 3. And if you try negative 2 in this one, you get 9 times negative 2 plus 21, which is negative 18, and 21, which is also 3. That works in this problem. And you will get a right triangle there where this is 32 and this is half of 3 because the whole thing is 3. And you can go on and solve and get the other radius, but I'm just going to say that that number is a little clunky, and let's just leave it with this one for now. I just went to a piece of scratch paper to find what the solution would be for this one. The radius comes out to be the square root of 4105 over 2. The circumference comes out to be 2 times that, which is 2 pi root 4105 centimeters, which is right around 128 pi. You do not need to do this solution. If you know how to do this, you are set and good to go. But if you're curious and you want to check this out, you should get 2 pi square root of 4105 centimeters, or around 128 pi centimeters. But you don't have to go that far. I hope that's clear. Let me know in class if you have questions.